Hi there, my name is James Heidema. I'd like to talk to you today about coaching. Why do people need a coach? So why do you need a coach? Obviously I'm a coach, and I've been coaching a number of people around the world, in particular professional salespeople and managers of professional salespeople. So why do you need a coach? Why is that important? Well, certainly you want to find a coach who's got the depth of experience that you would want. They certainly not only academically through training and whatever, but practical experience where they've been, in my case, a professional salesperson and a professional manager. You want someone who is able to help you navigate through all the challenges and obstacles that may occur as you become a professional salesperson or as you become a professional manager. In my case, I have a significant depth of experience. I have trained and coached and presented to well over 174,000 people in over 55% of the world. I've been a top performing financial advisor. I've been a manager of financial advisors. I've been responsible for training and development in one of the largest corporations in Canada of financial advisors. I also have written 7 books in 11 languages, and so I've been out there doing the job. From a practical experience, I've had to overcome all the obstacles and objections that occur when you're taking a product out to the marketplace, a financial instrument, whether it's a savings, investment, insurance, whatever it is. And so I've had to do that. I've dealt with a lot of people who felt the timing wasn't right, or individuals who don't feel responsible for anything. That becomes a challenge when you see there's a need to be met and people unwilling to do it. I've helped people in many different ways. I've kept families together when the worst have happened because I've had clients die on me. I've had situations where my clients have become injured or disabled or whatever, and delivered money to the family so they didn't have to worry about bills. I've helped individuals build capital, build assets, and so they had money for emergencies, opportunities, and retirement. I've seen the value of the products that we sell, and it's made a significant difference in the people that I've worked with, and I feel good about that. And I think this is a good profession. And as a coach, I can transfer that knowledge and experience to those people that I am coaching. And so what has that done for them? Well, it's helped them more easily overcome those obstacles. It's helped them to avoid some of the pitfalls that occur as a salesperson, as a manager. It's helped them better understand what's really going on. And my objective as a coach is to help individuals so they know what to say and what to do in any given situation. So if you are a financial advisor, if you are a professional salesperson, if you are a manager of financial advisors or professional salespeople, they're both one and the same, then reach out to me. I produce these videos on a weekly basis every Friday. I try to make them as valuable and as practical as possible. And I do have capacity to take on additional people. So if you feel you need coaching and you are a professional salesperson or you're a professional manager in the financial services or outside of it, then reach out to me. My contact information is below. Hopefully you find value in this, and hopefully I have the opportunity to make a difference in your life. Thank you.